Grandma's recipe that surprised everyone. In a pot, add 1 kilo of potatoes, already peeled, and cut into dice. Then cover them with water. Now add salt to taste and let cook until the potatoes are soft. In a pan, add olive oil, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and mix well. Now add 450 grams of ground beef and stir to combine. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Dorothy McIntosh from Glasgow, Scotland. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 200 grams of tomato sauce, and stir to combine. You guys, make this recipe at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. The potatoes are already cooked. Drain the water and put them in a bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of butter, parsley to taste, and mash the potatoes thoroughly. When it reaches this texture, divide the mashed potatoes into 4 parts, so this way. Take one of the parts with a spoon and start to shape them into balls. Tell me if you have a traditional recipe in your family. I'd love to know. Then make a hole in the center of each one. And put the mashed potatoes that we shaped into a baking dish. And then fill it with 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. And we're going to add the filling into each hole. Then put the ground beef too. Put more mozzarella over the ground beef. And bake it in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Look how beautiful and how delicious it is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.